Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of Figma's most powerful but underused features, slots. By the end of this video you will know exactly what a slot is, how to create one, and most importantly why it gives you so much more flexibility than a regular component. Let's get into it. Before we touch Figma, let's quickly understand the concept. A component in Figma is a reusable element, great for consistency, but the problem. When you create an instance of a component and you want to swap or modify what inside it, you are stuck. You'd have to detach the instance, which break the component link entirely. That's where slot come in. A slot is essentially a designated container inside a component that allow you to drop in different content, other instances, frames, whatever you need, without detaching anything. Alright, let's build this from scratch. Create a frame on your canvas. You can press F and drag to draw one. Turn it into a component, select the frame and press Ctrl plus Alt plus K on window. You will see the purple component icon appear. Now inside the component create another frame. This inner frame is what we are going to turn into a slot. Select that inner frame. Now there are two ways to make it a slot. Right click on the inner frame, scroll down in the context menu and click make slot. With the inner frame selected, look at the top right corner of the right side panel. You will see a small icon. Click it to convert the frame into a slot. And just like that, you have a slot inside your component. Now here's where the magic happens. Inside the slot, you can add multiple instances of other component. Stack them, arrange them, mix them. The slot acts as a flexible container that accepts whatever you place inside it. Let's create an instances of our slot component. Select the component and press Ctrl plus D to duplicate or simply drag it. Inside this instance, you can freely add, remove or swap the content. You are not locked in. The parent component structure stays intact, but the slot gives you full creative control over what inside. Now let's prove why slots are game changer with the direct comparison. On the left, we have our component with the slot. On the right, let's build the same layout as a regular component without a slot. Set up the same design, same structure, same properties. Now create an instance of the regular component. Try to add something inside it. You cannot. Try to swap instance inside it. Blocked. The only way to make change inside a regular component's instance is to detach it. And the moment you detach, it's no longer linked to the master component. Any future update to the original won't carry over. Now look at the slot variant. On the instance, you can add new element, delete existing one and swap instances freely, all while staying fully connected to the parent component. That's the core difference. Slots give you flexibility inside a component without breaking the component link. And that's it for today. I hope this clear up exactly what slots are and how they make your Figma workflow. If you find this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you can never miss a new video. We will see you in the next one.